everyone. Today we are solving miscellaneous exercise 5 and we'll be doing the objective questions in this video. So let us start with the MCQs. The first one is that the integration of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x is equal to what? तो यहाँ पे हमें इंटीग्रेट करना है 1 डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स. ठीक है, तो इसको कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? तो 1 माइनस एक्स एक लीनियर फंक्शन है, राइट? इट इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ए एक्स प्लस बी. तो यू हैव टू थिंक कि 1 डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स का कैसे इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं. तो दिस इज नथिंग बट एक्स रेज टू माइनस हाफ, बराबर. तो इंटीग्रेशन में वी डू +1 एंड उसी सेम चीज से डिवाइड भी करते हैं. तो माइनस हाफ प्लस 1 इज हाफ, so you will divide also by half. So the answer has to be 1 minus x raised to half divided by half. लेकिन also what is the coefficient of x? It is -1, right? So you also have to divide by the coefficient. हम लोग usually जब ax plus b होता है तो हम divide करते हैं by a. तो यहाँ पे you also have to divide by -1 plus c. Okay? So on simplification, this becomes -2 जो numerator में चला जाता है. So this is equal to -2 square root of 1 minus x plus c. So this is option B. Option B is the answer. Now let us look at the second one. We have integration of square root of 1 plus x square. Okay. So this is of the type square root of a square plus x square. Now if you remember, इसका formula क्या था? It is x by 2, then that same square root, plus a square by 2 log of x plus the same square root plus c. Which option matches to this? So here actually a का value 1 है. So here the option that matches with this is the first one. So that is the answer over here. Okay. Now let us look at the third question. In the third question, we are given that we have x square 3 raised to x cube. ठीक है, अभी x cube है, 3 raised to x cube होगी, तो यहाँ पे पक्का सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है. और क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा? x cube को ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे ना, तो इसको t डालेंगे. इसको अगर डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो मिलेगा 3x square dx is equal to dt, बराबर. एंड x square dx ये यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, ठीक है, is equal to dt by 3 आएगा, बराबर. So let me write that down. X square dx is equal to dt by 3. Now on substituting everything back, we get that 1 by 3 dt है in place of x square, and then 3 raised to t होगा. Okay. So this is nothing but integration of 1/3 बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. We just have 3 raised to t dt. Okay. Now, what is integration of 3 raised to t? This is of the type a raised to x. So this will be equal to 1/3, 3 raised to t divided by log 3. Okay, integration of a raised to x is a raised to x divided by log a plus c. Okay, and then in the end we have to put t के बदले x cube. So now you see कौन सा option match करता है यहाँ पे? It is option B, right? So option B is our answer. Now let us look at the fourth question. In the fourth question, we are given that integration of x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx is equal to p into this other integration plus half into integration of 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, then p is equal to what? So if you remember, यहाँ पे हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करते थे? यू फॉरगेट अबाउट व्हाटएवर एल्स इज गिवन टू यू, यू जस्ट लुक एट दिस पार्ट. ये x plus 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2x square plus 6x plus 5, ऐसा इंटीग्रेशन हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करते थे? सो इन दिस केस दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म px plus q डिवाइडेड बाय ax square plus bx plus c. यू रिमेम्बर? तो यहाँ पे we used to write that the numerator is equal to a constant a into the derivative of the denominator plus another constant b, right? So in this case, let us figure out what the numerator will be. So numerator is x plus 2 is equal to a, we have to find derivative of denominator. यहाँ पे denominator is 2x square plus 6x plus 5. So it will be 4x plus 6 okay, plus b. On comparing, what do we get? So x plus 2 is equal to 4ax plus 6a plus b. Okay. On comparing the coefficient of x, we get that 4a is equal to 1 and we get that 6a plus b is equal to 2. Okay. So a is equal to 1 by 4 and यहाँ पे अगर put करूंगी तो I will get that 6 by 4 plus b is equal to 2. Therefore ये 3 by 2 है. So b is equal to half. Now actually we have already found out our answer. If you observe, जब हम लोग ये वापस substitute करते तो क्या मिलता? We would get that this is 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 plus half, and then we would split the denominator. तो if you can see यहाँ पे 4x plus 6 आ चुका है, उसके सामने एक constant है और वही हमें ढूंढना है. That is a, and a का value we have got as 1 by 4. Okay, you can see that b is equal to half को यहाँ पे present है. So therefore, our answer has to be option C. Okay. Now let us look at the fifth question. In the fifth question, I have integration of 1 divided by x minus x squared. Okay. Now I can write x minus x squared as I can take x common and this will be 1 minus x. Okay. Now see, you can solve this question by partial fractions. Okay, but there is one more thing also that we can observe is that if I do 1 by x plus 1 by 1 minus x, what will I get? This will become 1 minus x plus x divided by x into 1 minus x. ये x और x cancel हो जाएगा ऊपर and we'll get just 1 divided by x into 1 minus x. ठीक है? So this is a trick that you can remember कि मैं इसको actually ऐसे separately करके लिख सकती थी. Okay, so then if I can write it this way, then it is very easy, no? So our question is finally what? It is just integration of 1 by x plus integration of 1 by 1 minus x dx. इसका आंसर होता है log x प्लस इसका आंसर भी होगा log of 1 minus x, लेकिन we will also have to divide by minus 1 because of the coefficient of x plus c. So therefore it is log x minus log of 1 minus x plus c, which is equal to option number A. Okay, and that is our answer. You can also do it using partial fractions. उसमें भी 1 ही आएगा, A and B दोनों का ही value, but this is a shortcut. Now let us look at the sixth question. In the sixth question we have 1 divided by x minus 8 into x plus 7. So here we have to use partial fractions. So for that, what I will do is I will write this as a divided by x minus 8 plus b divided by x plus 7 is equal to 1 divided by x minus 8 into x plus 7. Okay. And on cross multiplying, I get that a into x plus 7 plus b into x minus 8 divided by अभी denominator तो actually same होगा, so I'm just writing denominator multiplication पे is equal to 1 divided by denominator. You don't care about the denominator now, बराबर? Now you substitute that x is equal to minus 7. In that case, you will get a into 0 plus b into minus 15 is equal to 1, and therefore b is equal to minus 1 by 15. Okay. If I put x is equal to 8, then I get that a into 15 plus b into 0 is equal to 1. And therefore, a is equal to 1 by 15. Okay. So when we substitute it back, our integration is actually 1 by 15 integration of 1 by x minus 8 dx plus minus 1 by 15 into integration of 1 by x plus 7 dx. And on integrating this, we get 1 divided by 15 log of x minus 8 minus 1 by 15 log of x plus 7. यहाँ पे किसी चीज से डिवाइड नहीं करना है because x का कोई कोएफिशिएंट नहीं है. हम लोग 1 by 15 कॉमन ले सकते हैं and our answer has to be option number C, right? क्योंकि log a minus log b is log a by b, okay, and hence it is option C. So that is how you will solve it. Now see, if you want a more detailed explanation, I suggest that you look at the video that I've made on partial fractions. There you will really understand the concept. Here we are doing it faster because we've already covered it before. Okay. Now let's do the seventh one. In the seventh question, we have integration of x plus 1 by x the whole cube. Now here, don't think that we can do x plus 1 by x the whole raised to 4 divided by 4, which is option A. That is completely wrong. Okay, we cannot do that. उसके अंदर सिर्फ x होना चाहिए या फिर a linear part of x ऐसे ही हो सकता है. So here what we have to do is that here we will actually उसको हम लोग पूरा cube करेंगे and then we will integrate it. Okay. So it seems like either B option या फिर C option इन दोनों में से ही कोई एक होगा. Okay. So let us open it. So it will be a plus b the whole cube का formula लगा रही हूँ. Now if you remember, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. So here a के बदले x है and b के बदले 1 by x है. So it will be x cube plus 3 into x square into 1 by x plus 3 into x into 1 by x square plus 1 by x cube. So this is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. Okay, and now we have to integrate this. So this is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus 3x square divided by 2 plus this will be 3 log x बराबर 1 by x का integration plus this is x raised to -3. तो -3 plus 1 करेंगे तो -2 आएगा. So it will be x raised to -2 divided by -2 plus c. Now when I try to match the options, it has to be the option B. Now in question number 8, we are given that we have to integrate e raised to 2x plus e raised to -2x divided by e raised to x. हम e raised to x को split कर देते हैं. So we get that this is equal to e raised to 2x divided by e raised to x plus e raised to -2x divided by e raised to x. Okay, dx. So now इसको simplify करेंगे तो x ऊपर चला जाएगा ना. So it will become e raised to 2x minus x. This is basic law of indices. So it becomes e raised to x only, 2x minus x. Plus this will become e raised to -2x minus x. ऊपर गया ना. So it will be e raised to -3x. अभी इसको integrate करना है. तो e raised to x का integration तो e raised to x ही होता है. और e raised to -3x का integration भी e raised to -3x होगा, लेकिन divided by -3 x का coefficient plus c. तो ये ऑप्शन ए होगा, राइट? क्योंकि e raised to -3x नीचे आएगा तो e raised to 3x हो जाएगा एंड माइनस साइन सिर्फ इसी के सामने है, so it has to be option A. Now let us look at the 9th question. In the 9th question we have integration of 1 minus x raised to -2. So here it is going to be very easy. It will be 1 minus x raised to -2 plus 1 divided by -2 plus 1, which is -1. Also x का coefficient is -1, so I will divide by -1 plus c. So this is equal to 1 minus x raised to -1 divided by 1 हो जाएगा plus c, and that is option B. Now let us look at the next one. Now in the 10th question, we have integration of x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 raised to 5 dx. Actually this one is quite easy, but इसको पहचानने आना चाहिए. If you look at the numerator, ये actually expansion है of x plus 1 the whole cube, right? How do you recognize this? देखो ये x का power decrease हो रहा है और ये 3 है ना, first और last में 1 है. So that definitely means that this is x plus 1 the whole cube. If you open this also, you'll get the same thing. So it is just x plus 1 the whole cube divided by x plus 1 the whole raised to 5, which is just equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 raised to 2, which is equal to x plus 1 raised to -2. इसका integration करने के लिए we will have to do +1 and divide by the same thing, that is minus 1 plus c, because x का coefficient भी 1 है. So it is simply just minus x plus 1 raised to minus 1 plus c. Okay, and that is option A, because ये minus 1 है तो वो denominator में चला जाता, and that is why it is option A. Fine. So with that, we are done with the MCQs. Now let us look at the fill in the blanks. Now the first fill in the blank के लिए you should know one trick, ठीक है? और वो actually trick है the formula of a cube plus b cube, ठीक है? What is this equal to? This is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Fine. So we will use this in the numerator in place of x raised to 6 plus 1. So I can write x raised to 6 as x square the whole cube plus 1 cube. Okay. Divided by x square plus 1 तो है and into 5 भी है. ठीक है. अभी इसको open करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? By this formula that I have just written down, it will be x square plus 1, okay, a plus b into x square का square मतलब x raised to 4 minus x square into 1 मतलब सिर्फ x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 into 5 भी है, ठीक है. अब ये x square plus 1 और x square plus 1 कट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So therefore we have finally integration के अंदर actually 5 को बाहर निकालती हूँ, x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1 dx. Now this is very easy to integrate ना. तो basic trick तो बस ये formula था. अगर ये आ गया तो फिर you can manage. Okay. So therefore on integrating we get that this is x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus x cube divided by 3 plus x. Okay, into 5 भी करना है plus c. तो actually यहाँ पे इन लोग ने mistake बनाया, it should not be x raised to 4, it should be x raised to 5. ठीक है, 5 और 5 कट हो जाएगा, minus 5 by 3 x cube. So the blank में जो होना चाहिए that should be minus 5 by 3. That is our answer. Plus 5x तो है plus c. So our answer is minus 5 by 3. Now in the second fill in the blank, we have integration of x square plus x minus 6 divided by x minus 2 and x minus 1. Now my suggestion here is that इसको factorize करते हैं numerator को, ठीक है? So what do we get? X square plus x minus 6. 6 को split कर सकते हैं as plus 3 and minus 2. So we will get x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. We will get x plus 3 into x minus 2. Fine. Now when I put it back in this integration, what am I getting? ये x minus 2 तो cancel हो जाएगा ना, तो ऊपर रहेगा सिर्फ x plus 3 और नीचे रहेगा सिर्फ x minus 1. Okay? अभी जब इस टाइप का होता है ना, तब हम न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के जैसे बनाने की ट्राई करते हैं. तो उस केस में we get x minus 1 plus 1 भी करना पड़ेगा, तो ये plus 4 हो जाएगा divided by x minus 1 dx. ठीक है, इसको सेपरेट करने पे we will get 1 plus 4 by x minus 1 dx. And on integrating, I get x plus 4 log of x minus 1 plus c. Okay, so this is the value for the blank. It will be 4 log of x minus 1. That is the value of the blank. वो इधर आना चाहिए. Okay. Now let's look at the third one. In the third one, we are given that if f dash of x is equal to 1 by x plus x and f of 1 is equal to 5 by 2, then f of x is equal to what? Okay. So see, to get f of x from f dash of x, we have to integrate it. So I can say that f of x is equal to integration of f dash of x dx, which is equal to integration of 1 by x plus x dx. Okay, this is equal to log x plus x square by 2 plus a constant c. Okay, now you shouldn't write c over here. Okay, They have given us this extra information that f of 1 is equal to 5/2. इसका भी तो कुछ यूज होगा ना, तो उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करो इसमें, तो c का वैल्यू मिलेगा. So when I put f of 1, what do I get over here? I'll get log of 1 plus मुझे मिलेगा 1/2 plus c. ठीक है, अभी इसका वैल्यू तो 5/2 है ना, तो 5/2 इज इक्वल टू log 1 का वैल्यू 0 होता है प्लस हाफ प्लस सी. और अब हाफ को दूसरे साइड पे लेके जाओ तो मिलेगा 5/2 माइनस 1/2, मतलब 4/2 इज इक्वल टू सी, मतलब सी इज इक्वल टू 2. ठीक है, सो ब्लैंक में आएगा 2. दैट विल बी द आंसर. अभी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन करते हैं. In the fourth question, we have to find the value of 1 plus log x divided by x dx. The proper substitution is. तो यहाँ पे जो ऊपर है ना न्यूमरेटर में, उसी को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तभी होगा ना, बिकॉज देखो ये log x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1/x. ठीक है, तो अगर मैंने 1 प्लस log x को t डाल दिया ना, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे तो 1/x dx इज इक्वल टू dt आएगा, तो ये भी मैनेज हो जाएगा. So therefore, the proper substitution is 1 plus log x is equal to t. That will be your substitution. Okay. Now the fifth one. In the fifth question, we have 1 by x cube log of x raised to x the whole square is equal to what? So यहाँ पे ना first thing is I can write log of x raised to x is equal to x log x. ठीक है, ये नीचे चला जाएगा. Okay. नाउ इसके बाद इसका स्क्वायर भी करना है, तो इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर क्या है एक्चुअली, वी हैव 1 by x क्यूब इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर रहेगा एंड log x का भी पूरा स्क्वायर रहेगा. ठीक है, dx. तो ये एक्स स्क्वायर और एक्स क्यूब तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड वी विल ओनली हैव 1 by x log x द होल स्क्वायर dx. ओके, तो अभी मैं क्या करूंगी, यहाँ पे log x को सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगी तो 1/x dx चला जाएगा. तो log x को अगर t डालते हैं तो फिर 1/x dx is equal to dt आएगा, and therefore we will just get that this integration is just t square dt. Okay, on integrating this becomes t cube by 3 plus c. Okay, and t cube का value is equal to log x. So p का वैल्यू एक्चुअली क्या होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी 1/3. Okay, so with that we are done with the fill in the blanks also. Now let us look at the last part, that is the true or false. True and false में पहला वाला है the proper substitution for x into x raised to x into 2 log x plus 1 dx is x raised to x is equal to t. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, हम लोग ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन ट्राई करके देखते हैं. तो इफ आई पुट x raised to x is equal to t, तो एक्चुअली क्या मिलता है ना, ये ब्रैकेट है, सी देयर इज अ रूल, a raised to m raised to n is equal to actually a raised to m into n. सी अलग ये होता ना अगर x raised to x लिखा होता, तो फिर ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन अगर ऐसा लिखा है then we can multiply. So this is actually x raised to x square is equal to t. इसको अभी हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा ना, so to differentiate this we have to take log on both sides. So then we get that log of x raised to x square is equal to log t. Okay, and then ये x square नीचे आएगा, so we have x square log x is equal to log t. Now you differentiate on both sides. So this is by UV rule. So x square ऐसे ही रहेगा, log x का डेरिवेटिव is 1/x plus log x ऐसे ही रहेगा and x square का डेरिवेटिव is 2x. Okay, this whole thing dx is equal to 1/t dt. Fine. So let us simplify this LHS. So in that case we get x plus 2x log x. Okay, so we are getting this. इसमें से x कॉमन निकालेंगे तो we get 1 plus 2 log x dx. और अगर इस t को मैं ऊपर लेके आती हूँ दूसरे साइड पे और उसको x के फॉर्म में लिखती हूँ, तो एक्चुअली मुझे क्या मिलेगा, I will actually just get x raised to x raised to x is equal to dt. If you realize यही तो पूरा इंटीग्रेशन है ना, तो हम लोग को ना एक्चुअली अंदर से 1 ही मिलेगा, है ना, यही आ रहा है इधर, तो यही प्रॉपर सब्स्टिट्यूशन है। इसके बाद अंदर सिर्फ 1 ही रहेगा, तो उसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे t को, तो सिर्फ आंसर t आएगा। ठीक है, सो दिस इज ट्रू, करेक्ट आंसर आ रहा है। Now in the second one we have that if integration of x into e raised to 2x dx is equal to e raised to 2x f of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration, then f of x is 2x minus 1 by 2. So for this we will have to simply integrate and check, okay? So you have to integrate x into e raised to 2x dx. Now for this we have to use u-v rule, right? So Liet rule से, so for this we have to use u into v rule, integration by parts. So this is equal to x ऐसे ही रहेगा, then we will integrate e raised to 2x minus integration of e raised to 2x dx into derivative of x. Okay, integration by parts से कर रही हूँ मैं, which is equal to x into e raised to 2x divided by 2 minus integration of e raised to 2x divided by 2 into 1 dx. And this is equal to x e raised to 2x divided by 2 minus e raised to 2x divided by 4 plus c. Okay. So यहाँ पे what is the function that is multiplied by e raised to 2x? वही हमें ढूंढना है ना. So you take e raised to 2x common. So you will get x by 2 minus 1 by 4. इसका LCM अगर लेंगे तो we get actually कि पहले वाले को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो 2x minus 1 divided by 4 होना चाहिए. ठीक है, but here what is given? It is 2x minus 1 divided by 2. So therefore this is false. उधर 4 होना चाहिए था. Okay, now let's do the third question. Third question में we are given that x into f of x is equal to, इसका इंटीग्रेशन अगर करेंगे तो f of x by 2 and f of x का वैल्यू e raised to x square दिया है, तो ट्राई करके देखते हैं एक्चुअली क्या आता है. So it is x into e raised to x square. तो यहाँ पे I will substitute x square is equal to t. So I get that 2x dx is equal to dt. तो इधर तो x dx ही है ना, so therefore I'll put that x dx is equal to dt by 2. So on resubstituting we get that this is equal to e raised to t divided by 2 dt. On integration we get e raised to t by 2 only plus c, and t के बदले x square डालेंगे, तो e raised to x square divided by 2 plus c. Okay, so therefore what are we getting? The function f of x is e raised to x square. So this is f of x by 2 ही आ रहा है ना, so this is actually true. We have ignored the constant, लेकिन ठीक है. Fourth one में we are given that integration of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 2. This is a question from partial fractions. Okay, so यहाँ पे ना we will see. So x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 2, so we have to write as a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2. तो सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर को ही कंपेयर करना होता है, उसको एलसीएम ले लेते हैं राइट हैंड साइड पे, so then we don't have to write everything. Okay, अभी अगर मैंने x को डाला है -1, तो I get -2 is equal to a into -3 plus b into 0. That implies that a is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, and if I put x is equal to 2, then I get 1 is equal to b into 3. So I get that b is equal to 1 by 3. So बराबर है ना, जब हम इसको डालेंगे इसमें वापस और फिर इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो लॉग ही आएगा ना, लॉग ऑफ x plus 1 एंड लॉग ऑफ x minus 2 आएगा. तो a और b के वैल्यूज मतलब यही है जो क्वेश्चन में भी है और यहाँ पे भी जो मैंने a एंड b लिया है वो सेम है, ठीक है। अब इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, we'll get 2/3 plus 1/3 is 1 and here also they have given that, so this is true, okay. And now let us look at the last one. So here we are given that integration of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube into e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x f of x plus c. So here we will integrate and check, okay. So integration of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube e raised to x dx, okay. So if you remember, this is that kind of a question where we had e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, ठीक है, और फिर उसका आंसर रहता था just e raised to x into f of x plus c, okay. So that they have given, but can we split it in this way is what our question is. So यहाँ पे to split it like that, they are saying that f of x should be x plus 1 the whole square. So they are saying that f of x is x plus 1 the whole square, और उसका अगर मैं डेरिवेटिव लेती तो आई वुड गेट 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1। तो ये ऐसा कुछ तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है जो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है। बेसिकली दे आर सेइंग दैट ये जो x माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 1 द होल क्यूब है वो इस टाइप का है, but that is definitely not the case. So and hence this is wrong. So I don't want to waste time in integrating this and then checking कि ये नहीं आ रहा है. We can use this formula, okay, and see कि can I split the thing that is multiplied by e raised to x over here as f of x plus f dash of x, where f of x is equal to x plus 1 the whole square. It is just not possible. मतलब ये कैसे split होगा in this form? ठीक है, so therefore we can directly just say that this is false instead of spending time to integrate that and find the answer, okay. So with that we have solved all the objective questions of chapter 5. I hope you have understood these questions.